All hands on deck. Understanding this essential phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in movies, books, or even in a work setting. All hands on deck. This expression is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily life. All hands on deck is a phrase that calls for everyone available to come and help with a task. It originates from the nautical world, where the captain would call for all the ship's crew, referred to as hands, to come on deck to manage an urgent situation, like a storm or a battle. In modern usage, it means that everyone's help is needed immediately, often to deal with an emergency or to complete a big project on time. This phrase can be used in various situations, not just emergencies. In a workplace, a manager might say, "All hands on deck," when a big deadline is approaching, indicating that everyone needs to contribute. At home, you might use it when you're trying to clean up before guests arrive. It's a versatile expression that conveys urgency and the need for collective effort. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. As the deadline for the project is tomorrow, we need all hands on deck to complete it on time. When the storm hit, the captain called for all hands on deck to secure the sails. We have a huge family reunion coming up, so it's all hands on deck to get the house ready. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, emphasizing the need for teamwork and immediate action. I hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of all hands on deck and how you can use it in various aspects of your life. Remember, it's a call to action, urging everyone to pitch in and work together towards a common goal. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in our next video. Happy learning!